Okay, welcome to Kabir's Science Project Show. Today we are going to learn how to make a lava lamp. The ingredients are some oil, alka-sizer, a food color, a glass cup, and some water. Okay, first you get your glass cup. You put most of the oil into the glass. Then you put some water. And then you put some food color. You can do whatever color you want. You can at least do to 10 to 15 drops. Okay, it starts to look like something. Then you can mix it a little bit. And then you get your alka-sizer. Then you break it in half. Put one in here and put the other in here. Then, if you see, the alka-sizer devolves and then makes carbon dioxide to make the food color go up, and that is how you make your own lava lamp. If you subscribe, if you want to see more science projects, see you later.